be racing today. Yep, we're going to be racing today, so I'm lining up at Gun Raceway in Fallon, Nevada. We're getting ready to see how fast we can be in the 2018 Cadillac ATS 2.0 Turbo. Now, bone stock, these are supposedly 14.5 second cars. That's at sea level. I'm way above sea level, so let's see what we can do. Let's see how fast this car will go. It's going to be interesting. I'm going to be holding this camera and driving at the same time. This car is pretty easy to drive, so I'm just going to leave it in drive and do the first run just in drive. And then later, I'll probably shift the transmission manually, since it has that option right down here. You can shift it manually. I take the traction control off. Yep, I don't run traction control. I turn that off. Let's see what it'll do. Well, it looks like I'm lining up with something really mean, so the first run's going to be interesting. Hopefully I'll be as fast as I can be. Because the car next to me, that's one big rumbling machine. That's a straight up race car. So if my Cadillac does good with that car, I'm impressed. But my prediction, that full out race car will whip my butt. Then again, this is just a stock car with license plates. All I did was take an exhaust, and that's it. No other mods done. So we will see how we do. More to follow. I am really lining up with that really fast race car. Yep, here we are. Gun Raceway. Get ready to line it up. Now, a couple more cars just did a burnout. I don't need burnout pits since I'm all-wheel drive. I'm just gonna drive. No burnout pit for me. I'm just gonna launch and go. That's a Mopar. That's a really fast Mopar. We'll look at that nice Mopar. Very nice. Looks fast. Let's see this race here. Waiting for them to stage. Here we go. Time was. Well, that's the rules of the track. I gotta let him go ahead of me even though I won. So now we're gonna get our time slips and see how fast I went. That was a fun race. First race I did, I won. A nice classic Mopar. That feels pretty good. That was was a good race. Well, I'll see what my time slip is. More to follow. There's the time slip. I'm the left side. Yep. 15:0 at 91 miles an hour. Okay, let's look at these time slips. I ran a total of 10 runs at Top Gun Raceway. My car number was 167, 2018 Cadillac ATS all-wheel drive 2.0 turbocharged intercooled engine. Okay. My best reaction time is 0.072. My best 60 foot was 1.930. My best 330 foot is 6.060. My best eighth of a mile is 9.437. My best eighth of a mile is 9.437. My best 1,000-foot time is 12.372. My best eighth of a mile speed is 72.81. And my best quarter mile time of the day was 14.826 at 93 miles an hour. And mind you, this is at very high elevation at Top Gun Raceway. So most people that run their cars at Top Gun Raceway are a second slower than they run at sea level. So basically, at sea level, I would be 13 and some change. Quarter mile time, 13.7, 13.8, at probably 98 or almost 100 miles an hour. So there you have it. There's what my Cadillac ATS with just my intake and exhaust modification. The intake is a K&N, so I give credit to K&N for that. But the exhaust was totally my idea. And my design, and it works very well. And I haven't even done a tune yet. Now, once I get a tune, catless downpipe, I should be getting 13-second quarter miles at high elevation, which is 12-second quarter miles at sea level. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. And that's what my Cadillac does with me driving it at Top Gun Raceway at close to 6,000 feet elevation. Have a great day and mad boosting.